You want to take it for a walk? Take it for a walk. Let's see it. Yeah, there you go. Bella, move. Need some help? Now try. Ready? Good job! Look at you go! Woohoo! Are you stuck? How do you turn it? Need some help? Do you need some help? Do you want Mama to turn it for you? You're not doing what you want. Well, now try. It should work. Oh, no. You can do it. How do you make it go? That's right. Bella, please move out of the way. Well, that's close. Okay, good try.